Ditch the dodgy exchange rates and travel with peace of mind. First things first, let's talk about the magic of using your Monzo card abroad. One of the biggest perks is fee-free spending. Monzo doesn't add any extra charges when you pay with your card in a different currency. The app automatically converts the currency at the real exchange rate, showing you exactly how much you're spending in pounds. No hidden surprises. Need cash? Monzo also allows for fee-free ATM withdrawals up to £200 every 30 days while you're in the EU, and £200 in other countries, so say goodbye to expensive ATM fees. Just keep an eye on those limits within your Monzo app to avoid extra charges. Anything over those amounts will incur a 3% fee. Security is key, so before you jet off, make sure your location permissions are enabled for the app. You can also freeze and unfreeze your card with a tap in the app. It is perfect if you misplaced your card while traveling. And that's it. Monzo really makes managing your money simple overseas, so you can focus on enjoying your adventure without stressing your travel finance. If you found this video useful, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more travel tips. #Monzo card, #travel finance.